Today we will talking about matrix representation of graph. So as we know, basic concept of graph has been given by great mathematician Euler, and Euler explored that graph is not mathematics because this is not a topology, not a geometry or trigonometry. So there is a problem, means how we shall use graph. So use of graph in computer system, because our computer known only 0 and 1 digit. So we will explain graph in matrix. So this is very useful by matrix representation of graph. Okay. So as we have graph G is collection of vertices and edges, means G is equal to VE is a graph where V is set of vertices and E is set of edges. So how we represent in matrix form? So there are two type of matrices in this graph, means one is vertex matrix, vertex matrix. This vertex matrix is also called adjacency matrix. Okay, adjacency matrix. And other is vertex edge matrix. Other is vertex edge matrix. And this vertex edge matrix is also called incidence matrix. So as we have V means set of vertices. Suppose this set V has V1, V2 up to Vn, and this E set of edges means E1, E2 up to Em, means this graph have n vertices and m edges. So there are two type of matrices in this graph. One is vertex matrix, which is square matrix, because number of vertices are n. So here first matrix is vertex matrix. This matrix is also called adjacency matrix, and this is A is a matrix is equal to Aij, and this is a square matrix of order n. Clear? Because number of vertices are n. And similarly another matrix is incidence matrix, means vertex edge matrix. So this matrix A is equal to Aij, and this is number of vertices n, number of edges m. So this is a n cross m matrix. Okay. So now I am going to explain definition of adjacency matrix. Adjacency matrix is nothing but vertex matrix. So let G is equal to VE be a graph, and V means set of vertices. So V equal to V1, V2 up to Vn, and E equal to E1, E2 up to Em. Then adjacency matrix A is defined as A is equal to Aij, this matrix A is Aij. This is a square matrix n cross n, and value of Aij is equal to 1 when Vi incident to Vj, means when Vi connected to Vj, means one edge between Vi and Vj, then we will write Aij is equal to 1, means Aij is equal to 1 when Vi Vj has a path or has a edge, okay, and 0 otherwise. So this is the definition of adjacency matrix. चालू करें. So now an example of adjacency matrix means vertex matrix. So this is a graph. This graph has 4 vertices, V1, V2, V3, V4. So since by definition in adjacency matrix, vertex matrix, so only we explain matrix of order 4. This means this is a matrix A equal to Aij, and this is 4 by 4 matrix because number of vertices are 4. And definition of this matrix is all entities are 1 when Vi Vj has a path, means between Vi and Vj at least one edge, okay. So here V1, V2, V3, V4, V1, V2, V3, V4. So this is a square matrix. Now we see V1 means, since in this graph there is no any loop, so here 0. V1, V2, so this is V1 and this is V2. So between V1 and V2 there is a path, so this is 1. Also to explain an example of adjacency matrix. Adjacency matrix is nothing but vertex matrix, okay. So this is a graph. So first we see very carefully how many vertices here. So number of vertices V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. It means there are 5 vertices. So adjacency matrix of order 5 means 5 cross 5 matrix. So matrix A is equal to Aij 5 cross 5. As we know by definition of this matrix, only this matrix have 1 and 0. When between 2 vertices one is, then we will write 1, otherwise 0. So first we write here number of vertices in V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Here V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Now V1 means there are no any loop, so here value is 0 because our computer accept 0 and 1 only. So our in matrix only 2 entries means 0 and 1. So if between 2 vertices one edge, we will write 1, otherwise 0. So V1 to V2 1, V1 to V3 this is 1, V1 to V4 1, V1 to V5 no edge, so 0. Now V2, here V2 to V1 1, V2 to V2 0, V2 to V3 1, V2 to V4 this is 1, V2 to V5 also 1. Now for V3, here V3, so V3 V1 1, V3 V2 1, V3 V3 0, V3 V4, V3 here V4 no age, so 0, V3 V5 1. Now V4, here V4 1 V1 1, V4 V2 1, V4 V3 no age 0, V4 no loop, so 0, here V4 V5 1. Now V5, so V5, here V5 V1 0, V5 V2 1, V5 V3 1, V5 V4, so V5 V4 is 1, V5 V5 0. So again we see V2, so V2 V1 1, V2 V2 0, V2 V3 1, V2 V4, this is 1, V2 V5 1. Okay, so this is adjacency matrix, means vertex matrix. Okay, now some important properties of adjacency matrix. So you see very carefully here, this is a adjacency matrix. So first property is this matrix is symmetric matrix. Symmetric means this is with the diagonal elements, upper elements and lower both are same, means Aij is equal to Abi. So first property is adjacency matrix is symmetric matrix, means Aij is equal to Aj. Second property is if graph has no any loop, then all the diagonal elements are 0. Here all the diagonal elements are 0. So second property is if graph has no any loop, then all the diagonal elements are 0. And third is very important property. Third property is, you see here, sum of degree of all vertices. Sum of degree of all vertices. Sum of degree of all vertices is equal to sum of all these entries, means row, first row, second row, third row. If we take sum, so both are equal, means sum of degree of all vertices equal to sum of all entries in the matrix, sum of all elements of matrix. Okay, so this is the very important property.